How to add client. Adding new clients to IT-Land's CRM is super easy. Here's how you can do it. First, click on the Client tab and hit the Add Client button. Then, fill out the client's information, like their username, email, phone number, and full name. Next, select the type of card you've created for the client in the Cards section. The system will automatically generate a card number for them, and you'll need to create a 4-digit secret PIN. If you need to activate the client's card, simply select the Activated option. To print the card, hit the Print Card button. You can also save the card as a PDF and send it to your printer. If the client loses their card, you can block or unblock it by pressing the Approve or Unapprove button. Finally, press the Update Profile button and you're done. It's that easy. Thanks for using IT-Land CRM. We hope this guide has been helpful to you.
If you have any questions or queries, please feel free to talk to us or request a call back via itlands.com.